Hi everyone, in this question we want to solve the equation 2x minus 11 root x plus 12 equals 0. I encourage you to pause the video and try this one yourself. What we can do here is use the substitution. So let's let u equal root x. Squaring both sides means that u squared would be equal to x. So that means we can replace x and root x with u and u squared in the original equation. So we will have 2u squared minus 11 root x, which is u, plus 12 equals 0. And we end up with a quadratic equation. So let's use the AC method for factorization. So looking at our question, we have a, which is 2, and c, which is 12. So AC is a times c, which is 24. So what we need to do is look for two numbers that when you multiply, you'll get 24. And when you add the two numbers, you'll get this middle term, which is negative 11. By guessing and checking, you should find that the two numbers are negative 8 and negative 3. So negative 8 times negative 3 is 24. And negative 8 plus negative 3 is negative 11. What we will do then is break up the negative 11u to be negative 8u minus 3u. That will give us 2u squared minus 8u minus 3u plus 12 equals 0. Looking at these two pairs of terms, we can now factorize. We will have 2u, u minus 4, minus 3, u minus 4 equals 0. We can see now that u minus 4 is a common factor. We can then write u minus 4, and we are left with 2u minus 3. And so that will give us u equals 4 and u equals 3 on 2. So going back to our original substitution up here, we can then write 4 equals root x and 3 on 2 equals root x. So for both equations, let's square both sides here and here. The square cancels the square root. So we can say that x equals 4 squared, which is 16. That's your first solution. And here again, the square and square root will cancel each other. So x equals 9 on 4. And that's your second solution. Thanks for watching.